The old one broken. DSC model. Remove 6 Torx bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see on the bottom 6. And unplug the connector like this. And unscrew bolts. If you have LPG, maybe module of LPG is somewhere there. You must remove it. In my case, there was one bolt and the other one is there, and you can simply remove ECU of LPG. This is the old one broken DSC model. One time repair, but now time for new one.